Looking for a way to earn revenue and provide value by leveraging your current book of business, social media following, or even your email list? Look no further than PayperWord.com's affiliate program. Whether you already work with a network of companies that would benefit from higher quality writing at lower pricing, or have access to writers who utilize AI and are looking for additional work, we have just the program for you. As a business, you know that quality writing is essential for your success. However, finding quality writers can be difficult and expensive. At PayperWord.com, our marketplace was created to help businesses connect with high-quality freelance writers who utilize AI writing tools, resulting in not only higher quality work, but also lower cost. Our pool of talented writers come from all over the world and utilize AI-assisted writing tools to produce the best work possible. So whether you're looking for a one-time project or ongoing content, we have just what you need. The PayperWord.com affiliate program is simple. For any business that you refer to us that completes a project, or any writer that you refer to us that is hired for a project, you can receive up to 30% of the fees collected. There are no limits to how much you can earn, and we will even provide you with all of the resources and support that you need to succeed. We provide everything you will need for your affiliate marketing efforts, from email copy to share with your targeted email list to banner ads and social media posts. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Here are some of the highlights of what makes this program so appealing. What business doesn't need some form of writing? No matter the business size or type, there's always a need for quality writing, making this a great opportunity to reach a broad market. Once you make a referral, you will continue to receive commissions as long as they remain active on our platform. This provides you with a great opportunity to create long-term residual income. How much have you spent building your email list? Why not put it to good use and start earning commissions on the work you're already doing? One of the biggest advantages of the PayperWord.com affiliate program is that writers are able to join for free, making the barrier to entry incredibly low for onboarding someone. This means that you can earn money simply by referring someone looking to work and earn money on our platform, without having to worry about selling them. In addition, companies can benefit from lower pricing on all of their writing by using our pool of talented freelance writers who utilize AI-assisted writing tools. This allows businesses to get high-quality writing at a fraction of the cost. This creates the unique situation of being able to earn money by showing companies how to save money. These competitive edges combined make the PayperWord.com affiliate program a great opportunity for those looking to earn some extra income. Anyone can be a successful affiliate, but there are some people who are better suited for the job than others. If you have a network of businesses or writers that you think would benefit from PayperWord.com, then you would make a great affiliate. So if you have a great reputation within your business network, we have the blueprint on how to introduce your contacts to a way to directly add to their bottom line through clear, obvious savings on their writing services. Here are some examples of professions that are able to seamlessly promote PayperWord.com services with their own. Graphic designers often create logos for new companies or companies that are looking to rebrand. There is a very high likelihood that if someone is getting a logo designed for a new company, they will also need content for their latest venture. For a graphic designer, promoting PayperWord.com is as easy as including your affiliate link with a short description of the benefits of the platform when delivering a client's logos. How many companies have you made logos for in your career? Imagine if to this day you were still receiving a commission on every piece of writing each company has done. One reason why a web designer would make a great affiliate for PayperWord.com's program is that they often have close contact with companies who are looking to establish a web presence. In many cases, these companies are also in need of quality writing for their website, which can be costly and time-consuming. By recommending PayPerWord.com to these businesses, the web designer can help them save money while also receiving commissions on any work that is completed. Additionally, web designers are instrumental in a website's content plan and will have influence on this decision being made, which makes them the perfect ambassadors for our platform. Another reason web designers would be ideal for the program is it is common for web designers to have projects held up waiting for written content from their clients. They can now make their life easier and get paid for it by simply referring their clients to PayperWord.com. SEO specialists are always looking for new and creative ways to help their clients rank higher in search engine results. Quality content is one of the most important factors in SEO, so recommending PayperWord.com to clients is a no-brainer. Not only will they be able to get the high-quality content they need, but the SEO specialist will also receive commissions on any work that is completed. It's a win-win. Copywriters are obviously perfect candidates for the PayPerWord.com affiliate program since they are already in the business of writing. By recommending our platform to their clients if their workload is too full, or if the client has specific needs that you do not cover and a specialist would be a better option, the copywriter can still get paid for the referral. Additionally, copywriters often have a wide network of contacts in various industries, so they are able to reach a large number of potential clients. And of course, they have colleagues that they can recommend to join PayPerWord's platform as writers. Many marketers have done very well promoting AI writing tools this past year, such as Jasper and Copy AI. If you have a website or social media following in this niche, then you would make a great PayPerWord.com affiliate. We offer a 10% commission on all fees collected for work completed by writers that you refer to the platform, so there is significant earning potential. And since businesses always need writing, there is a never-ending stream of potential clients. As you can see, there are many different types of professionals who would be perfect for the PayPerWord.com affiliate program. If you think you have what it takes to be a successful affiliate, we want you on our team. Simply head over to our website and fill out the form on our affiliate page to start earning commissions for any writer or any company you refer to the platform.